how to turn on or turn off background sounds for rain, stream, night, fire, or static noise sound on the iPhone 16 series. So first, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down. In here, tap on audio and visual. Then tap on background sounds. At the top here, tap on the background sounds toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Once you have turned it on, you will hear the background sound. You can also change the sound to balance noise, bright noise, dark noise, the sound of the ocean, sound of the rain, sound of the river stream, sound of nighttime, or the sound of fire. So here you can choose one of the sounds. And you can also increase or decrease the sound volume. So here we can turn it on. Nighttime, fire, and we can also turn on using the volume width media. And here we can play sample. Okay, at the moment it doesn't play the sound unless I plug in the headphones. So I think settings could be interfering with this. So I'm just trying to play a sound out here. Now it's playing. Okay, so turn off background sound. So there is another sound at the back here from the headphone accommodations. So I'll turn it off and then we'll go back to background sound. And I'll turn on the volume. And that's it. So that are the background sound on your device. So you can even have your background sound playing while you are playing another media files, such as watching YouTube videos. You still can have the background sound playing as well. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.